Hi my loves, welcome back to Paradigm Shift Tarot. This is Devrupa, I'm an astrologer, also tarot reader. In this channel we discuss astrology, tarot readings and important other stuffs about your life. So I have came up with this scheme. Once I'll hit 1000 subscribers, I will start giving away free readings to any one of you who will comment the most and show me a lot of love as you all do. So I'll pick one of those who will comment the most and will comment the sweetest. So just support me in this journey of mine. Subscribe to my channel so that I can grow more, as you all will grow more with this channel. So okay, and this today's reading will be about my Leo people. So what is there in the upcoming week, that is the week the week that is from 8th of February onwards up till Sunday. From the 8th of February onwards, these are general readings, so they may not resonate for all of you. So if they do, don't forget to mention it down below in the comment section. That will help you in the manifestation process. This reading is for my fool. So this reading is for my Leo people, all my Leo loves. Let's see. Two of Cups, soul connection, taking a leap of faith, new beginnings. You have a strong soul connection with someone. Okay, Leo, you are coming up in your reading. Queen of Wands, yes. This could be someone, or this, I think this is you. You are being attractive at this time, taking care of your health, your body. But I feel like there is some sort of resistance to the situation. Knight of Cups, someone offering love, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio energy. Wheel of Fortune. This talks about आपकी लाइफ में अगर बहुत दिनों से कुछ स्टैग्नेशन था, चीज़ें मूव नहीं हो रही थी, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपकी चीज़ें अभी मूव होने लगेगी. वो स्टैग्नेशन जो था आपकी ज़िंदगी में, वो धीरे धीरे सही होती रहेगी. किंग ऑफ सोर्ड्स, यस, आई फील लाइक आपकी ज़िंदगी में कोई एक ऐसा व्यक्ति है. किंग ऑफ सोर्ड्स, दिस टॉक्स अबाउट जेमिनाई, लिब्रा, एक्वेरियस एनर्जी. सो I feel like this person doesn't want to take a leap of faith with you because there is some sort of resistance to their mind, and उनके दिल में ये वो अभी पूरे तरीके से अपने आप को खोल नहीं पा रहे, पूरे तरीके से अपने आप को स्वीकार नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. They are not accepting the love that you guys share, but I see this as a mutual love, where like two person, like see, this is Two of Cups. Ace of Cups is like one person offering love. Two of Cups is like two person offering love to each other. They both have love for each other. But this King of Swords, when we see King of Swords, it talks about a person who thinks logically, who thinks with their mind. And I feel like this is the person you are dealing with. They are more into communication, more into logical stuff, and less into passion and love. Maybe due to some situation, I don't know. I can't see that, but yes, there is some sort of resistance to a change. They are afraid of change, or they want to change. They don't want to change anything in the situation. And you are offering some sort of love to someone. Here is Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or this person is ultimately offering love to you with the Knight of Cups. And the Queen of Wands, I feel like you are being very attractive. That person is very attractive to you, and you have a lot of passion for this person, all in all. You are you are approaching this relationship from a very creative perspective, from a very passionate perspective, and but there is some sort of delay in taking a leap of faith in the situation, whereas there is you offering love or them offering love. Either you are too scared towards this love and not wanting to take the action just right away, and just trying to defend, means you are very comfortable. I feel like either this person, Leo, it could be your person, या तो आपकी जो व्यक्ति है आपकी ज़िंदगी में, वो बहुत कंफर्टेबल फील कर रहे हैं जो भी सिचुएशन में वो है अभी, और उनको बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्क नहीं लेने, बहुत ज़्यादा चेंजेस उनको इस टाइम पे नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्कैर्ड है कोई भी चेंज लाने के लिए अपनी ज़िंदगी में. और या तो आप हो सकते हो ऐसे कि आप नहीं लाना चाहते हो इस टाइम पे चेंज, क्योंकि आप बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल फील कर रहे हो एक सिचुएशन में रह के. So that's why things were a little stuck, And yes, maybe this person has some abandonment issues, because I see the Five of Pentacles coming up right away, or they recently went through some sort of breakup, or like you went through some sort of breakup and you had abandonment issues, but maybe from your childhood, like you were not taken, you were not being taken care of properly, or this person has some issues regarding that. I clearly sees that, yeah, they're ending something, and they haven't yet ended something in their life, and they need to like take that leap of faith in order to have this mutual love situation with you. Whereas the situation is already there, but someone is not ready to accept it because of the resistance that is inside of them with the Seven of Wands. But Wheel of Fortune talks about Jupiter energy, and I feel like your Jupiter will be going in Pisces, that is like I guess 8th from you. Pisces is 8th from you, I guess. Yes, I definitely see some sudden changes as well in the coming week that you were not expecting of. I just need to little clarify. It's the 8th or the 9th house. Yes, lot of luck is coming towards you. That's for sure. Let me just calculate for a while. It's a Leo, right? So it's I'm very bad with calculations. Like I used to stand always out in my maths classes, like outside the class. So even the teacher doesn't even have to like ask me to go out. मैं इतनी खराब थी maths में, I will just go out by myself for not being able to solve the maths. So I just have to count the houses. Give me a little time. So it's a Leo. Then we have Virgo, Libra. We get Scorpio, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio. Then we get Sagittarius, then Capricorn, then Aquarius, and we get the Pisces. So I feel like that's yes, that is 8th from you. This talks about certain changes, sudden luck coming in, all this stuff. Okay, so I'll say just keep on loving, because that's what you are doing. Knight of Cups, because also I see you as someone who is very like offering to people, even in this time. Like maybe not only this person, you are being very helpful to others, offering things to others. Maybe you are from a field where you have to offer something to others as well. If it is about career, I will say that things are moving good. You could be receiving some sort of good luck in your financial front, and maybe trying to invest in joint assets, joint ventures with that money that is coming in for you, or there could be some joint business, joint venture from which you are gaining money and etc. So that is what I see for you, my lovely Leos, and I'll see you on my next video. Till then, take care. But I need to pull an oracle card that I always forget. I'm really sorry. Okay, so the oracle card says openings, a new door is opening for you. Okay, the Aries also got the same card, so maybe you're dealing with the Aries or something. So a new door is opening for you. It's like, yes, a new opening is there, a new beginning is there. Someone is still resistant, but yeah, eventually they are going to take this leap of faith. And with the key, I feel like, yes, whatever it is going to be long term, or you are thinking of it as a long term thing. And it's almost like you are getting that key to your luck. So yes, there are new beginnings and new openings. So Sun is your ruler, and also Sun is at a very good position right now as per the horoscope. So things are going very fine and will be very good in future. So I wish you a very good luck, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.